Okay, so I've given the little guy a rinse in some cold fresh water. You can see there's my bay leaves. I've got a couple of garlic cloves that I've crushed, boiling water, salted as well. Got the little guy here. You can see now there's a hole. I've taken all the innards out. I did it really carefully and then I washed it over, and then the eyes have gone, so you can see there's no eyes, and the beak has come out the middle there, so it's just a hole. I also just beat these tentacles just a little bit on the side to tenderise. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to hold it in and out the boiling water, and you'll see why, because it makes the tentacles curl and then they look nice. So here we go. So, method is in and out. Ooh, straight away curly, and in and out. Let's give it another go, in. A bit further this time. So you can see they've got a lovely curliness, so it makes it look really elegant when you serve your dish. And then one last time, there we go, and then I'm going to drop it in. Just going to leave it in there now. I'm just going to simmer it, and the key is to turn it down a bit so it's not boiling, and we're just going to simmer till tender, and then I'm going to fridge it off. So there you go. So octopus, first stage of cooking.